After a big rainstorm, everything looks different on the way to school. Puddles fill the road, deep and splashing, while potholes make the ride bumpy and rough. The morning air is cool and fresh, but the journey is not as easy as it used to be. The school bus rattles along, bouncing over each hole. Inside, the kids giggle nervously, holding tight to their seats, but some look worried. Will they be able to make it to class on time and safely? The potholes are getting worse, and the puddles are so big that they cover parts of the road. What should we do to fix this problem? The road isn't just a little messy, it's dangerous. The bus driver slows down, carefully steering around the biggest holes, but it's tough. Each bump makes the bus shake. The children look out their windows, seeing the muddy puddles and broken pieces of asphalt. Some of them wonder if they'll ever get to school without another wild ride. If someone trips or falls on the way, they could get hurt. The teachers and parents know that something must be done. The road needs fixing, and it needs fixing now. Just when it seems like there's no solution, help arrives. Here come the heroes of the day, the construction crew. Leading the way is Bulldozer Ben, strong and steady, his engine humming confidently. Right behind him is dump truck Daisy, cheerful and ready to help, carrying a load of fresh gravel. Roller Ricky rolls up with a big smile, ready to make everything smooth, and Excavator Ellie comes along with her long arm, eager to dig and scoop. Each vehicle honks its horn in greeting, filling the air with cheerful sounds. Bulldozer Ben calls out with a friendly voice, "Don't worry, kids, we'll fix this road together." The children watch in excitement, their worries fading away. Excavator Ellie swings her arm and says, "Yeah, we'll dig out the broken pieces." Dump truck Daisy adds, "I'll bring the fresh gravel." Roller Ricky, always ready to help, chimes in, "And I'll smooth it all out until the road is perfect." The whole crew is here, each with a special job to do. Together they know they can make the road safe again. The work begins with Excavator Ellie. She carefully scoops out the muddy, broken parts of the road, clearing away the mess left behind by the rainstorm. Her bucket dips into the puddles, lifting out the soggy dirt and broken asphalt. She works with focus and care, making sure every pothole is ready to be filled. The kids watch in awe. Ellie makes it look easy. Next, dump truck Daisy rolls forward, her bed full of clean, shiny gravel. With a gentle tip, she pours the gravel into the holes Ellie prepared. The stones tumble down, filling each gap and making the road stronger. Daisy loves helping out, and she makes sure there's enough gravel for every hole, big or small. Bulldozer Ben moves up, his blade ready to push. He carefully spreads the gravel, making sure it covers every spot that needs fixing. Back and forth he goes, smoothing out the surface so the road is even and safe. Ben's strong engine growls as he works, and the kids clap and cheer from the sidelines. Finally, Roller Ricky joins in, rolling back and forth with a big, happy grin. He sings a little song as he works, making the job feel fun for everyone. Dig, dig, scoop away. Dump and roll, hooray, hooray! Working hard the whole day through. The road is ready just for you. Ricky's heavy roller presses the gravel down, making the road smooth and shiny. He takes his time, making sure every inch is just right. The children learn that teamwork is what makes big jobs easier. Each part of the construction crew does something special, and together, their work adds up to something wonderful. Soon, the road looks brand new. The puddles are gone, the potholes are filled, and the surface is smooth and safe. The construction crew stands together, proud of what they've accomplished. Bulldozer Ben gives a big thumbs up. Dump truck Daisy beeps her horn, Roller Ricky flashes his lights, and Excavator Ellie waves her arm. They know that working together is the best way to solve problems. The school bus pulls up once again, but this time, the ride is smooth and gentle. The kids wave out the windows, their faces full of joy. "Thank you, construction crew," they shout, grateful for the hard work and care. One little girl leans forward and says with a smile, "Now we can get to school safely and on time." Everyone laughs and cheers. relieved that their journey is no longer a bumpy adventure. All of the construction vehicles smile proudly, glad to have helped their community. The teachers and parents are thankful too, knowing that the road to school is safe for everyone. The rain may have caused trouble, but teamwork and determination brought everything back to normal. Thanks to the hard work of Bulldozer Ben, Dump Truck Daisy, Roller Ricky, and Excavator Ellie, the road is fixed. The school bus can travel smoothly each morning, and the children can walk and ride safely. The construction crew knows that every job is important, especially when it helps their friends and neighbors. Teamwork makes everything possible. When one machine digs, another brings materials, a third pushes, and the last one smooths it all out. Big problems become small, and solutions appear. The kids learn a valuable lesson. When people work together and help each other, even the toughest challenges can be overcome. Every day, the school bus rolls along the brand new road. The kids wave happily to the construction vehicles whenever they see them, remembering how they came to the rescue. The construction crew keeps working, fixing roads and building safe places for everyone. They know their work helps the whole town, and that makes them proud. With a final cheerful honk-honk, the construction crew celebrates their success. The sun shines on the smooth road, and everyone smiles, ready for a safe and happy day. Thanks to teamwork and caring, the road to school is ready for adventure every morning. And so, with happy hearts and a smooth journey, the children, teachers, and parents all say thank you to their heroes, the construction crew. Every day, they remember that working together can make a big difference, and that safe roads help everyone travel happily. The story ends with a big, cheerful honk, and the sound of happy music fills the air. The road to school is safe, smooth, and ready for fun, all thanks to the wonderful teamwork of the construction crew.